your affection. I found a home in you, and come what may, I will come closer. Nothing compares to you.
To my dear John Paul, when I first met you, I never expected our paths would cross. Coming from different culture, I didn't imagine that you, of all people, would become the love of my life.
I could never imagine that I would be in this place, standing in front of you, pledged to you my love. You opened my eyes and mind on a relationship that could last forever.
Sinking deep, safest direction is for
Ika nga ng mga matatanda, ang pag-aasawa daw ay hindi isang kaning mainit na kung napasok ka, pwede mong iluwa. Pero sa aming mga nurses, ang pag-aasawa ay isang blood transfusion. It should be properly cross-matched and compatible.
your love doesn't leave me behind. In all of the places that I've ever tried, I never
We met at an unexpected time and for unexpected reasons, yet here we are, about to begin a new chapter together. Sino bang mag-aakala na yung dating tao na dinadaan-daanan ko lang, ay siya pala yung makakasama ko sa mga oras na to at susumpa sa Diyos.
You're my constant, you're my surest thing.
In the past 6 years, our relationship getting stronger and stronger. Even though there are problems, hindrances, and challenges we face, we stand together and find a solution to solve those.
We became a part of each other's life in ways we never expected.
You're my constant, you're my surest thing. For now and for always, my love I will bring. All my devotion with all of my heart.
You know the best part of our relationship? Hindi tayo nag-break in that 6 years. Hindi man maiwasan ang mga bagay na tampuhan, minsan, pero at the end of the day, yung love pa rin natin ang nangingibabaw sa isa't isa.
But I stand here today, I realize that God, He didn't give me just any man. He gave me the best man. Until now, I am still amazed with God dahil binigay niya yung taong sobra-sobra pa sa hiniling ko.
Hindi ko naman kinalimutan yung sinabi mo na mag-aasawa kapag 35 na. So, at least na fulfill ko naman yung dreams ng family natin na
Nalampasan pa.
makaalis naman yung dalawa. So, thank you, ma.
Ngayon at mag-aasawa ka na, salamat naman at pinakinggan mo ang advice ko noon. Noong nag-aaral pa siya. Kasi wala kaming ibang ipapamana kundi yung kanilang edukasyon. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako kahit barkadista ito noon. Pero nakapagtapos din siya. Love you, anak.
Lahat naman ng mga advice mo sa akin ng bata, kahit mahigpit ka ng bata sa akin, at least nakikinig pa rin ako at sinunod ko pa rin yung mga payo mo sa akin. Thank you, pa.
Ako na sa father, sa married, yung responsibilidad mo sa pamilya, gawin mo para yung future mo, kinabukasan mo, ma-fulfill sa family. Yung respeto, yung pagmamahal sa family. Anak, yun na, sa family.
Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. So now faith, hope, and love abide, these three, but the greatest of these is love.
You supported me in many ways, even na alam ko na hindi ko kakayanin, pero todo support ka pa din sa akin, na maipapasa ko lahat.
I never asked for you, but I prayed for someone like you.
All my troubled waters
Mami, Daddy, thank you kasi pinalaki nyo kami ng, ayun sa sabi ko, ng maayos. Thank you sa support and unconditional love. Yun lang. Iyak, masisira makeup mo.
Happy ako at natupad na yung wedding nyo ngayong araw na to. Hindi lang ako ang natutuwa, lahat, si Daddy, si Kuya, at lahat ng mga family ko na ganitong kaganda ang iyong wedding day, your big day. I love you, daughter.
So, dumating na yung araw na to. Happy kami. Thank you. Congratulations.
You're like summer in the shade, like a sip of lemonade, and I love the taste.
Ayos nga. Ayos mo pa. Huwag ba?
I'm gonna give you all my love. Wildflower, give you every minute of every hour. Dancing the wind, you leave it whispering. I'm gonna give you all my love. Wildflower.
I promise to always be the same partner I've been and to become even more. I promise to be patient with you, even in the moment when life feels overwhelming, and even when the times comes that you are at your worst.
I vow to always protect you from harm, to stand with you against your troubles. I promise to love you unconditionally, to respect and honor you. I look forward to a lifetime of laughter, love, and growing all together with our kids and grandchild.
Dancing the wind, you leave it whispering. I'm gonna give you all my love. Wildflower.
Pinupad ko yung wishlist mo. Magkaroon ka ng company phone. Company phone?
Meron naman, kaso sobrang bagal.
Sobrang bagal. Kaya binilang kita ng oh, yung nire-request mo.
Power bank.
May libre power bank yung binili kong phone.
Wait.
So ayong, wish granted. Tiyo, itlog at dilata na lang tayo sa mga susunod na araw. I love you. Oh, ano bakit swatch?
Secret. Play nga lang yan.
Oh, Apple Watch.
Oh my love, gonna give you all my love. Wildflower, give you every minute of every.
With you, I have found more than I ever imagined. You are my heart, my home, and my forever. I love you.
I wanna grow old with you.